Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, I say welcome, and if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel for good contents like this and many more. As I mentioned in my previous video regarding the best two websites for college applications and admissions, I am here with a step-by-step video about the BigFuture website. If you are new and you don't know what the BigFuture website is, don't be worried because I am going to enlighten you about it. BigFuture is a free college board website which provides comprehensive set of digital resources that helps all students take a productive step. So in this video, I will explain the most important parts of the BigFuture website for you in order for you to get the best from it. Without further time wasting, let's begin. This is how the common interface of BigFuture looks like. You have your sign in button over here, where if you have a college board account, you can sign in over there. You also have the search engine here, where you can search any school you want over there to retrieve every information. We have plan for college, pay for college, which has a calculator for you to calculate the amount you need for college education. Explore careers, community and events, and your profile. So as you can see, a lot of tabs for you. You can use them to achieve more. So before you begin to use this website, my advice for you is for you to prepare a list of all schools you plan on applying to, since you'll be retrieving every bit of information from the school on this website. You can start off by clicking on the search button and then inputting your school. As you click on the search button, input the name of your school in the search button. In my case, I'll be using Yale University. So as you can see, it gives you a list of all schools that has the name Yale or that bears the same name or even similar. So in my case, my preferred school is Yale University, so I'll go ahead and click on that. After you click on that, it takes you to a page like this to check the overview of the school. You have to check if it's a 4-year school, their graduation rate, their average year after aid, their SAT requirement or the SAT score requirement. Then you have to read a little bit about the school. Now as you can see on this side, it says college board code. Now let me tell you what the college board code is about. The college board code is a special code given to every school which accepts the college board exams. So for example, any school that accepts the SAT has a college board code, and what this code is used for is to send your test results directly to the school. That makes it official. If you send it yourself, it makes it unofficial. So before you can send your test results to a school, you need this college board code, and that is the only way you can send in your official test score. There are more information on the site. You have the school's contact information, PO box, phone number, and website. Now when we go to admissions, it tells us the admission summary. It tells us the GPA range, your ACT requirement as well, and the application requirement. So if we take Yale for instance, for application requirement, they need your high school GPA, which is required. They need your high school ranking, which is required. They need your college prep courses, which is recommended. This means that if you don't have it, you don't need to worry so much about it. Considered if submitted. This means that if you have it, you can submit it. This can give you higher financial aid packages and so on so forth. Recommendation letters. This is so required of you. You are required to submit at least 1 or 2 recommendation letters from your lecturers or your teachers. You move down to application deadline, and in my case there are no deadlines available here. It's not available here. Before you be able to apply to the school, you need to make that payment. Now when we move to academics, It tells you the graduation rate of the school. This tells you that this school is very accredited, and every year a lot of people graduate from this school. This school has a 97% graduation rate, retention rate of 98%, and the student to faculty ratio is 6:1. So the least or the minimum students you're going to find in a classroom is 6 students to 1 teacher. Now, as you can see from this side, majors and degrees, this is where you can find all the courses you want to study. You can go ahead and then you click here to search if they offer that course. If they don't, you have to select another school, but if they do, then you know you're good to go and you're good to apply. You can also do that by just scrolling down to see if the name of your course you want to offer is available in the school. Now let's take a look at the costs. Now when you scroll down, this gives you all the information about the cost. Now it gives you the average net price, which is $18,073 per year. Now take note, this can change at any time. This is not fixed, and this is just an estimated amount. Now when you scroll down a bit, it gives you more information about the school. If you are in state, you would have to pay $62,250 per year, but if you're out of state, that information is unavailable. So if you're applying to this school, make sure you email the international office for this kind of information. Now you can see a breakdown of the other costs for you: the housing, books and supply, personal expenses, transportation. Now this is the most important part: financial aid. You are going to have to check how many percent or the percentage of students who receive financial aid. Now as you can see, over 50% of students admitted at Yale receive financial aid. Therefore, if you have good grades and you feel very confident about the school, you can go ahead and just apply and then seek for financial aid. It says that freshmen with need and received financial aid is 100%. Therefore, you have a higher chances of obtaining a scholarship from this school. It gives you a breakdown of the aid package details. You can take a good look at those. You can also check on campus life, their housing, the amount of housing, extracurricular activities available on campus, and every other thing. You can also check the racial or race and ethnicity. You can see the percentage of blacks, Asians, and so on and so forth. So this website gives you a total overview of a particular school. It gives you information about admissions, academics. It gives you information about the cost and campus life. So this is how to use College Board. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can also share this to your friends to help them also benefit from this. Thank you for watching my channel, and see you in my next video. Goodbye.